Hi, buddy. Today, I'm diving into one of TikTok's most viral recipes, baked feta pasta. Let's get into the kitchen and see if it really lives up to the hype. Here's what you need. A 200-gram block of feta cheese, about 2 pints of cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, a generous drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick, and your favorite pasta. Spaghetti or penne work great. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. In a large, oven-safe baking dish, pour in your cherry tomatoes and add the garlic, minced, a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Place your block of feta right in the center. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some dried oregano on top. Now, pop the dish into the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes, until the tomatoes burst and the feta turns beautifully creamy. While that's happening, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Once the baking is done, remove the dish from the oven and mix everything together. The roasted tomatoes and garlic will melt into the feta, creating an irresistible, tangy sauce. Toss in the hot pasta, and if you've got some fresh basil on hand, add it in for that final touch of freshness. So what do you think? Will this dish become your new comfort food, or is it all just hype? Drop your thoughts and any secret tweaks in the comments below. I'd love to know your experience with this viral recipe.